Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to our third lesson in website development using Bootstrap 5. So in this lesson, I'll be teaching you guys how to use the Bootstrap 5 carousel. I'll teach you guys how to add images to your carousel, how to add captions to your carousel, how to add indicators to your carousels, as well as how to add the fading effect to your images. See you guys in class. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Yeah, don't forget. See you guys. Official Bootstrap 5 website. Yeah, so on this website, let's go down to components, and then under components you will see carousel. Click on carousel. So first of all, I have one image folder. I have 3 images here we'll be using. For example, I'll leave the link below in the description for you so that you can download the images and follow. So what we'll do now is we are going to copy this first one. Okay, if you come to slides only, then you copy this. Let's head to brackets. So in the previous lesson we saw how we could use navbar. So that example is still here. So under the navbar tag, we come down and then paste this here, and then I'm going to give the link for my image, okay, which is slide 1, and then in this tag which is carousel item, I'll put the second image there, okay, and then we come down to the third one, images, slide 3. So you can put as many as images you want for your carousel. So this is the div we have, and then the carousel inner, we have the carousel item where we keep the images. As you can see, we have 3 different carousel items. So if I save this and then go and open this in our web browser, you see we have this carousel, okay. So the images will keep changing after some few seconds. So yeah, this is a very simple and a straightforward carousel. So there are a few things you can add to the carousel. So let's go back to the page, the carousel, the Bootstrap page. So let's say you want to add this controls. What you do again is just copy this, okay, or directly you can just copy this, the button, okay. What I'll do is just copy this whole thing, and then I'll replace it with the previous one that I pasted here, and then I'll just paste this here, and then include the images again, slide 2, and then the third one, images, and then slide 3, and then I'm going to save this and then go back to the page. So if I reload, you can see we have the controls here. So once you click this, it will go to the next image. So this is how you add controls to your carousel. And then the next thing we'll be looking at is if you want to add these indicators, okay. So it's also very simple. I'm going to copy this again, okay, back to our brackets, and then I'll remove this, and then I'll paste that, and then I'll include the images, okay. Slide 1, image source, slide 2, slide 3, sorry, slide 3, So I'll save this, and then if I come back to the page and reload and I scroll down, you see we have the indicators here. So you can also use this to change your images, or you can use this. It's very simple. Okay, so let's move to the next thing. So let's say you want to add captions to your carousel. It's very simple. So what you do is you come to this page where we have the with captions, and then I'm going to copy this div. Okay, so in this div we have the carousel caption, and then inside we have the caption itself. So I'll copy this, and then if I come here and then right after the image, okay, I'll paste this. So let's say this is the first caption, okay, and then under this second image I'll paste the same thing. So let's say I'll just name this caption 2, caption 1, okay, and then I'll come to the third image. Right after the image tag, I'll paste this, and then I'll name this as caption 3. Okay, I'll save it back to our browser. If I reload here, so you have your caption here. So you can just go through, you see caption 2. So with CSS you can really style this to whatever you want. You can bring the image, the caption up, you can increase the font size and play around with the caption in CSS. So this is how you add caption to your carousel in Bootstrap 5. The next thing is, so let's say instead of the images sliding, you want the images to fade in. There is a default Bootstrap class which is carousel fade. Okay, so I'll just copy this and then back to brackets, and then I'll paste this inside this class, okay, next to slide. I'll save it, and then if I reload the page, you see the images are fading in. So this is how you add the fade effect to your carousel in Bootstrap 5. So the next thing we'll be looking at is, let's say I want to change the text color. So as you can see, all these are white. So if I want to change this to black, let's say the images you are using are bright, so if you put this, it's not going to come out well, and you want to change the colors, all you have to do is copy this class carousel dark, okay, and then back to our, so right after carousel fade, I'll paste this, save it, and then if I reload, you see everything is now dark. So this is how you change the colors, and this is also responsive, so you can see how it's coming on mobile and tablets. So yeah, this is how you use Bootstrap carousel, and few things that you can do. So we've seen how we can add the images, how we can add the indicators, how we can change this, and how we can add captions as well. So yeah, this is how we use carousel or image sliders in Bootstrap 5. So in the next tutorial, so I'll be teaching you guys how to use cards in Bootstrap. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. I will try to help you out. See you guys in the next class. Peace.